What if you could retire a millionaire? It's not as far-fetched as you might think. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to achieve financial freedom before you even hit 40? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 money principles that will make anyone rich in their 30s. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for ways to boost your financial health, these principles are key to building wealth and securing your future. In this video, we'll explore actionable steps you can take to manage your finances smarter, not harder. We'll talk about everything from the basics of budgeting to smart investing strategies that can supercharge your wealth growth. But first, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below sharing your top financial goal for the next year. Are you aiming to save more, invest, or maybe pay off debt? Let's get the conversation started and pave the way to financial success together. Stick around, because what you learn today could transform your tomorrow. Principle 1. Live below your means. One of the most foundational principles of personal finance is to live below your means. But what exactly does that mean? Simply put, it means spending less money than you earn. This might sound straightforward, but it's often easier said than done, especially in a world full of tempting purchases and social pressures to keep up appearances. So, how can you effectively live below your means? Start with creating a budget. A budget isn't just a record of what you've spent. It's a plan for where you want your money to go. Begin by tracking your income and expenses. Identify necessities like rent, groceries, and utilities, and then decide how much you can afford to spend on non-essentials. Remember, the goal is to have money left over that you can save or invest. One powerful tip to avoid lifestyle inflation, increasing your spending as your income increases, is to automate your savings. Each time you get paid, have a portion of your income automatically transferred to a savings account or investment fund. This pay-yourself-first strategy ensures you save before you have a chance to spend. Let's take a quick look at a real-life example. Meet Emily, who started her career at 22 with a modest salary. Despite her peers upgrading their cars and moving into pricier apartments, Emily continued to share a flat with roommates and used public transportation. She budgeted meticulously, always setting aside at least 30% of her income. By the time Emily was 30, she had saved enough not only to put a down payment on her own home, but also to invest in a rental property. Her early discipline with money allowed her to build a foundation that many of her peers are still struggling to establish. Living below your means might require some initial sacrifices and a lot of discipline, but the financial freedom it brings is well worth the effort. By controlling your spending, you set the stage for a richer future. Principle 2. Invest early and often. One of the most powerful concepts in finance that can significantly enhance your wealth over time is compound interest. This occurs when you earn interest not only on your initial investment, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. The key to maximizing this effect is to start investing as early as possible. The longer your money is invested, the more time it has to grow exponentially. Why is starting early so important? Let's say two people, Alex and Jordan, decide to invest. Alex starts investing $200 a month at age 25, while Jordan waits until he's 35, investing the same amount. Even if they both earn the same annual return of 7%, by the time they're 65, Alex will have significantly more money due to having 10 extra years of interest compounding. For young adults looking to get started, there are several investment options that can be suitable. Stocks. Buying shares of a company. This can be risky but offers high potential returns. Bonds. Lending money to a government or corporation in exchange for fixed interest payments. Generally safer than stocks but with lower returns. Mutual funds. Pools money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and/or bonds. Index funds and ETFs. Exchange-traded funds. These track the performance of a specific index like the S&P 500 and offer diversification and lower fees. Assess your financial situation. Ensure you have a stable emergency fund and minimal high-interest debt. Set clear goals. Understand what you're investing for, whether it's retirement, a home, or another long-term goal. Choose the right platform. Research and select a reputable investment platform or robo-advisor. Start small. You don't need a lot of money to start. Many platforms allow you to start investing with as little as $50 and make regular contributions over time. Stay consistent. Regularly contribute to your investments to take advantage of dollar-cost averaging and reduce the impact of market volatility. Investing early and consistently is one of the most reliable paths to financial security. By making informed choices and sticking to your investment plan, you can build a substantial nest egg over the decades, ensuring a comfortable and secure future. Principle 3. Increase your income streams. Diversifying your income sources is a critical strategy for financial resilience and growth. Relying solely on a single paycheck can be risky. If that income stream dries up, you're left vulnerable. By having multiple streams of income, you not only protect yourself against the unexpected, but also increase your potential earnings and accelerate your path to financial independence. Side hustles. Engage in activities outside your main job. This could be freelancing in areas such as writing, graphic design, or digital marketing. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr make it easier to find such opportunities. Passive income. Invest in creating income streams that require little to no daily effort to maintain. Examples include renting out property, dividend stocks, or creating an online course or ebook that people can buy over time. Invest in learning new skills. Continuously upgrading your skills can lead to promotions at work, opening new higher-paying job opportunities, or even starting your own business. Online platforms like Coursera or LinkedIn Learning offer courses that can boost your employability and earning potential. Let's consider the story of Sarah, who turned her modest blog into a robust suite of income streams. Sarah started blogging about personal finance as a hobby while working a standard 9-to-5 job. As her audience grew, she monetized her blog through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Not stopping there, Sarah leveraged her blog's success to launch a consulting service for personal finance strategies, further diversifying her income. By her early 30s, the revenue from her blog and consulting was substantial enough that she could quit her day job and live off her diverse income streams, achieving financial independence. Sarah's success illustrates the power of income diversification and proactive skill development. By continuously learning and being willing to explore new opportunities, she created a financial safety net and thrived. This approach not only provides security but also offers the freedom to pursue your passions on your terms. Start small with 1 or 2 side hustles and look for opportunities to build passive income. Over time, these efforts can significantly bolster your financial well-being and provide peace of mind. Principle 4. Stay debt-free. Debt can be one of the biggest barriers to achieving financial freedom. High-interest debt, like that from credit cards or payday loans, is particularly destructive because it grows rapidly and can quickly become unmanageable. This type of debt eats into your income, limiting the amount you can save and invest. Budget wisely. Keep track of your spending to ensure you're not living beyond your means. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your finances. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund covering at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. This can prevent the need to borrow in case of unexpected expenses. Use credit wisely. Limit the use of credit cards and ensure you pay off the balance each month to avoid interest charges. Debt snowball method. If you're already in debt, use the debt snowball method. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on others. As each debt is paid off, move on to the next largest, building momentum as you go. Let's look at the story of Tom, who found himself drowning in $30,000 of credit card debt by his late 20s. Realizing the need for change, Tom crafted a strict budget, cutting unnecessary expenses and reallocating those funds to his debt. He also took on a part-time job specifically to pay down his balances. By focusing on his smallest debts first, he felt motivated by each success. Within 4 years, Tom was completely debt-free. Eliminating this debt allowed him to start saving aggressively for retirement, drastically transforming his financial landscape from precarious to prosperous. Tom's journey from deep debt to financial stability is a powerful testament to the benefits of staying debt-free. By managing your finances carefully and prioritizing debt repayment, you too can secure a more stable and stress-free financial future. Principle 5. Set financial goals and continuously learn. Setting clear, measurable, and achievable financial goals is essential for navigating the path to wealth. These goals provide direction and motivation, helping you focus your financial efforts efficiently. Specific. Your goals should be clear and specific to avoid vagueness that can lead to confusion or lack of direction. Instead of saying, save more money, specify, save $5,000 for a down payment. Measurable. You should be able to track your progress. If your goal is to save $5,000, break it down into monthly savings targets. Achievable. Your goals should be realistic and attainable to keep you motivated. Setting a goal to save $5,000 in a month when you earn $3,000 is not practical. Relevant. Make sure your goals are relevant to your broader financial objectives. If buying a home is a priority, your savings goal for a down payment directly supports that. Time-bound. Set a time frame for achieving your goals. This creates a sense of urgency and can help you stay focused. Ongoing financial education is just as crucial as setting goals. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and staying informed can help you make better decisions and spot opportunities. There are several resources to help you stay on top of financial trends and deepen your understanding. Books. Consider classics like The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason or Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Podcasts. So Money by Farnoosh Torabi and The Dave Ramsey Show offer practical financial advice suitable for different stages of your financial journey. Online courses. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer courses on personal finance and investing basics. By continuously learning and adapting your strategies based on new knowledge, you can navigate your financial journey more effectively. Remember, the more educated you are about personal finance, the better prepared you will be to meet your financial goals and make wise investment decisions. Start implementing these strategies today to build a solid financial foundation and accelerate your path to wealth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us on social media for daily financial tips and resources. Hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep striving towards your financial goals.